There's 50 of these wall panels in one package, so they have to come air packed, very tight, and very convenient because the box is not very big. So we're gonna put them out in the sun. This has been 15 or so minutes, and that's how they grew. I think they're gonna be growing a little bit more, but this is cool. I'm gonna give it half more hour. This is how each one's gonna look. So this is one stack that came in the airtight container. A box has 50 of them in there. I put them outside so they can fluff up, and it took about, I would say, under an hour. Here's one cube. It measures 12 by 12, and this is 2 inches. So you would put stickers in here and then put them on your wall like this. And you can decorate it which way you want the lines to go.